Lil Uno, Big Young, representing SD, Sicko Cat baby, haha, New West, for the 2000 nickel motherfucker, haha, Sicko style, keep it. They call me Uno, Dago bound, sicko fight essay. G'd up in the blue, steady throwing up pressay. Untouchable, rigor mortis harder than your bones. Leave me alone, I'm in my zone with Patron up in my dome. Legendary in the game, known to spit flame. I'll give it to you, baby, like my name was Rick James. Malandrine, all up on my paper, see my green. Putting Dago on the red, boogeyman, he keep it clean. See my sound scan breaking in, taking in my paper. Dirty little bitches wanna hit me with the vapors. Slicker than a fox, keep my water up in my socks. Got some bubble gum and cock for Miss Jenny from the block. Fuck a hater and a fake, always trivializing. Uno in the street or in the club, steady womanizing, realizing flex, homie, market to imperial. Every fucking solo bumping little one material. Did it from the jump, the beginning of this era. Brought the music and the bitches and a little bit of terror. You can speak it how you want, you little faggot motherfucker, but Uno be the truth, you little maggot motherfucker, yeah.
Ain't no need
for you to try to fake this.
Ain't no need,
you're fucking with the greatest.
let's proceed.
Representing all the West, come and boogie to this shit, throw it up and nothing less.
Ain't no need
for you to try to fake this.
Ain't no need,
yeah, you're fucking with the greatest.
let's proceed.
Representing all the West, come and boogie to this shit, throw it up and nothing less.
Burning in the west like a fresh bag of potent, twist tight, marinated in your chest, let it burn and take flight. For them southeast bangers, chipping and break a bitch. Lifestyle mad lavish, they sick and it won't switch. Play your peak, this is CALI, hard knocking with most killers. Cook it up, break it down, to flip it to six figure. Hustle on with your peace tuck, famine is so gravy. Cause suckers getting robbed like it was the mid-80s. Nothing nice, I was given the deal. Plotting packet, motherfuckers being real in the field. Rhyme mode by the code, ain't a damn thing changing. Innocence of adolescent is still banging. You can tell by the lingo that the kid be on the yit one. Ain't no need to talk about it, just come get some. Something so good that the next generation fully developed this shit and jumped into the occupation. Homie, holler, Diggy put a thrill in your life. Don't let me catch your ass slip inside some dick in your wife. They keep it pushing, they ain't even trying to test. I'm smashing in the big body and banging the New West.
Ain't no need
for you to try to fake this.
Ain't no need,
you're fucking with the greatest.
let's proceed.
Representing all the West, come and boogie to this shit, throw it up and nothing less.
There you go, big city of G's. Everything in my city ain't always what it seems. You might get smashed if you come from out of town, but I was born and raised here and I know my way around too much. Too many gangsters, too much. Don't get it fucked up. Too much. Too many gangsters, too much. Lil CS, nigga, New West Part 2. Load your clip up, turn this shit up and go hard, fool. This that ride of music, throw your set in the sky to it. For the hustlers and bangers that do it like I do it. Nigga, when I shoot it, my aim is accurate. And when I'm in the booth, shit, my floor is immaculate. And I got a stack to get. So nigga, right after this, I'm gonna hit the grind, cause all my life I've been having chips. So take a step back and trick if you don't want that Mac to spit. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Talk behind my back and shit. I'm coming out of retirement for pure enjoyment. Make my heat been out of work and it needs employment. Not a one I have to do, but nigga, if you keep hating, you gonna be rare Walter can autograph your throwback Peyton. And nigga, that's the verbal truth. Don't make me murder you. I'm a cool ass nigga, but disrespect and not dirt you. There you go, big city of G's. Everything in my city ain't always what it seems. You might get smashed if you come from out of town, but I was born and raised here and I know my way around too much. Too many gangsters, too much. Don't get it fucked up. Too much. Too many gangsters, too much. Nigga, I deserve the credit you hate niggas ain't giving me. Cause none of them niggas you cheerlead foes outspit me. That's vividly perceived from the rhymes I breathe. Nigga 24/7 on the grind I beat. Sally smashing for them chippers, you niggas can't fuck with us. It's love here and thug tears to my penitentiary bitters.